All right, so here we are. Yesterday we cleaned out the secondary air passages here on this 2013 Malibu. At the time we were looking at a map of 9.1 to 9.4 and it only moved to 2.3. This system's looking for like about 0.7 to 1.9 change in baro. So we only went from 7.9 to 8.2 there. So today we're going to give it a test here. We're right around 9.7 again. And we're going to kick that on. And there we go. We're up to 10.9. So that's a big improvement right there. So we can turn the system back off.